Traveling alone can be an exhilarating and liberating experience, but it can also come with its own set of challenges. One of the most important things you need to take care of is being prepared and having the essential items with you at all times. Here are some essential items that every solo traveler should have in their backpack. A good quality backpack with multiple compartments for easy organization and accessibility. A power bank and adapter to keep all your devices charged on the go. A first aid kit with all the basics such as pain relievers, band-aids, and any prescribed medication. A water bottle with a filter so you always have access to clean water. A portable travel pillow so you can catch some shut-eye in comfort wherever you are. A travel towel that is lightweight, quick-drying, and compact. A multi-tool or pocket knife which can come in handy in a variety of situations. Finally, it's important to have a reliable and secure means of storing your valuables while traveling. Introducing the MasterLock Portable Combination Safe. This safe features a customizable combination lock, allowing you to set your own combination for added security. The compact design makes it easy to pack in your luggage or carry with you, so you can have peace of mind knowing your valuables are protected. Keep your passport, cash, and credit cards safe and secure to minimize the risk of loss or theft. With these essential items in your backpack, you'll be prepared for anything the road throws your way. So don't let anything hold you back from exploring the world and living your dream of solo travel. Pack your bags, grab your essentials, and hit the road.